Ava's first time eating spaghetti. Yeah, you like it, Ava? And stuck your hand. You put it in your mouth? Good girl. Is there yummies? Can you pick it up? It's hard, huh? It's slimy. Ooh, I like spaghetti. You are your mother's daughter. Mama's favorite too. Make sure you're chewing, silly head. Bye bye. Bye bye.